Hello everyone, this is Indra with you and welcome back to Trading with Love. If you are looking to buy or sell cryptocurrency, you will need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. These online services often work similarly to a stockbroker, giving you the tools to buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. When choosing the best cryptocurrency exchange for your needs, it is important to look at supported currencies, pricing, or withdrawal option. Here is our 3 list of cryptocurrency exchange. Number 1, Coinbase. Coinbase is by far the most popular and one of the best cryptocurrency exchange because you can invest directly with US dollar. You can currently purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more than 30 plus other coins on the platform. Moreover, you can earn interest on your USDT, and you can earn token rewards by completing various activities. When you open a Coinbase account, you will get also $5 bonus. Some of pros that we like from Coinbase is, first one is easy to use interface, good selection of tokens and coins to invest in, high level of security and trustworthiness. Cons: high fees unless using Coinbase Pro. User doesn't control private keys in the wallet. Slow to adopt popular new cryptocurrencies. Number 2, Kraken. Kraken is one of the original crypto trading platforms, and they have a good selection of coins and tokens to trade and invest in. They also allow margin trading. However, it's a real exchange and not as easy to use from another platform. The pros: one of the longest running cryptocurrency exchange, high level of trust and security, large variety of crypto and tokens to trade. Cons: one of the more difficult platform to use, difficulty with 2FA, poor customer service. Number 3, eToro. eToro has been around for a while in the UK and throughout Europe, but they are now allowing traders in the United States. They offer a huge variety of digital assets to buy and sell on their platform. And even better, they do have practice trading, so you can give it a try before you actually use your real funds. Right now, eToro is offering $50 bonus to new customers who open an account and trade $500 worth of crypto before September 30, 2021. Pros: worldwide option for trading crypto, ability to copy other traders' portfolios, low minimum to start. Cons: limited option in the United States, only available in 41 states, doesn't support as many tokens and coins as other platforms. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Hope this video will give you more knowledge about it. And see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your social platform. Ciao!